Number four. Thank you for everyone who tuned into this one and who tuned into the last one. It means a lot, honestly. We're doing good. We're progressing. I'm diving in deeper into this financial literacy thing. It means a lot that people are engaging with the post and liking the content I'm giving. Thank you, guys. Thank you. But today, I'm going to teach you how to become a tax free millionaire. Start the video. Compound interest. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Albert Einstein. So today we're going to talk about what a Roth IRA is. Start with the basics. What does Roth even mean? Roth means after tax. So the money that you be putting in this retirement, this account is tax free. Well, now that I said it, IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. So today I'm going to show you the do's. Well, not the do's and don'ts. How to maximize your money that you can get to become a tax-free millionaire. So in the Roth IRA, you're allowed to put $6,000 in, maximum, per year. Unless you're over 50, then you're allowed to put $7,000 per year. Now, depending on what type of money you withdraw from that account, before the age of 59 and a half, you will receive a 10% penalty. What do I mean by that? Let's say you had 100K and your contribution was only 60K, one type of money in the account, and the 40K was your profit, due to compound interest. That's another type of money. If you took the 60K out, you won't get taxed. You won't get a 10% penalty. If you take the full 100K, that 40K will receive a 10% penalty. If you take it out before 59 and a half, of course. Mind you, the max you could put is 6,000 per year. So you cannot take 60,000 and put 60,000 right back. It doesn't work like that. So be mindful of that. One reason why this is very beneficial for the viewers who are watching me, the max salary you can have is 139K. Majority of people who watch me don't make that much. So this is time to capitalize. This is time to gain basically free money. In this account, you can invest into ETFs, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. And why do I say this? I don't want you guys to open a Roth IRA and just keep putting money, things gonna magically grow. No, you have to invest in those type of stuff for it to grow. And if you want to start a Roth IRA, you can start it with many companies such as Fidelity, Vanguard. One of the ones I'm familiar with is M1 Finance. I don't know the exact requirements for Fidelity and Vanguard, but I do know for M1 Finance, for you to open one through your phone, of course, you need a $500 initial. You need to have $500 to open the account. And the best thing about this Roth IRA is that there's no age limit. So if you were 16 or 17, you're working, your parents can co-sign, and you can have that Roth IRA and then keep piling up with compound interest. You're making a lot of money. But you can start at 18. You wouldn't need your parents, of course, and you can open it then. Now on screen, I'm going to show you guys certain examples on which you can benefit and become a tax-free millionaire with the Roth IRA. So if you had $6,000 first year and you continuously to put $6,000 from the age from 20 to 59 and a half, and have an 8% return, you would make 1.7 million. If you only had $500, but you kept putting 6,000 every year for the same amount of years and have a 7% compound interest return, you would have 1.2 million. If you only had $1,000 and you invest only half of what you can per year, so $3,000 for the same amount of years, you will have 827K. If you only had $1,000 and you continuously put $1,000 for the same amount of years, 8% return, you will have 289K. This is the beauty of compound interest. And why is this account like so magnificent? You can gift this to your kids. So now your kids have a upper advantage now. And this is called intergenerational wealth. This is exactly what we need to do, especially for minorities, for our kids. I'm gonna be honest, not everyone's gonna become a millionaire. Everyone can be one, but not everyone's gonna be it in their lifetime. With this, your kids can now grow and have a upper advantage than you did. What am I trying to say? Let's say I was eating with a wooden spoon. I'm grinding all my life and I plan to have kids. I want my kids to be better than me. My job is for them to be eaten with a silver spoon. Their job, when they have kids, is their kids to be eaten with a golden spoon. It's just a stepping stone. Small steps like this can go a long way. I mean, it's all tax free too. You can actually gift this money to your kids. I'm really excited about this. I plan on opening a Roth IRA myself, and I hope you guys take advantage of this opportunity. My name is Gregorio Damasceno, and thank you for watching.